What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Twitter lag issue in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now tap on software version, and from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, it will fix the app's lagging issues. But if you are still facing the issue, then try updating the Twitter app. So for that, open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Twitter app. Now from here, if it shows update option here, then update the app. So after updating your app, the app's lagging issue will be fixed. So just simply tap on update and the app will be updated. Now after updating app, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is tap and hold on the Twitter app, tap on this information icon, and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory. So to clear it, tap on this option here, then select clear cache, and after that tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm, and after that the Twitter lag issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Twitter lag issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.